got this a couple months ago. It was a rollover. It's a 2020 Civic. As you can tell, it got hit pretty bad. Got a rollover. Already got this brought in today. We already got everything stripped from the inside. Took all the seat airbags and the computer and sent it out to the boys down in California to L&D Solutions. They hook us up with all the airbag work. So this rollover, we're gonna end up having to cut in a new roof, and most likely the structural under the roof where the headliner goes, and then do a couple cut-ins right here. We'll go like halfway down this quarter panel between this window, and then up front we'll cut it in here. So replace this pillar and the roof, and this whole front end got work. So we'll end up having to replace everything up front here too. Quite an extensive project, one of the bigger projects we've had on our hands, but I'm sure we'll be able to knock it out and get it on the road in no time. Hey, at least one thing survived during the rollover. Look at this trunk. Oh, I lied. Whoopsies. Looks like we gotta replace that too. Luckily the parts are pretty cheap on these Civics. Able to just picked up this Acura we just wrapped up yesterday. My brother got it all knocked out yesterday after I took off. Got it all put back together. We have some footage on that will show. Got it all put back together. Everything went together really nicely. Paint came out pretty good. Being painted in a shop with a bunch of dust and other stuff, but most of it will get buffed out. Paint match is really excellent, as you can see. New to old. That paint is, I would say, probably about 90% match. Follow me. Our next project. This boat. No, not this yet. We have a ways to go. That's gonna be a project for down the future sometime. What we got here is a couple buckets of Bondo. Should do the trick. The glass looks like it's probably still savable. We can probably render that somehow and make it work. What do you guys think? But yeah, it was involved in a rollover. Got it super cheap. We'll see, maybe I'll reveal the price and how much everything costs at the end. See, so you guys have a idea of how much this stuff costs. But today what we got, we're gonna be changing this roof and these pillars. Replace them, because there's no point of dinking around and trying to fix these pillars because they're pretty smashed out. They got smashed pretty good on both sides. So what we'll end up doing today is pulling these two window, the front windshield and the back glass out. Cut the back glass out because it's still good. We'll be able to reuse that. And then take all this out on the inside, the headliner and stuff. We already gutted the inside. Everything on the inside just makes it a lot easier to work that way. You're not worried about burning stuff or covering stuff up, except the dash, obviously. We're gonna cover that up. But yeah, we'll end up probably punching most of this out with a hydraulic ram. And then once that's all out with the hydraulic ram, we'll get all the spot welds out and go step by step. I'm putting all the information on them. Front bumper, hood, headlights, fenders. This is really important unless you want to end up with a couple bagfuls of extra screws and bolts and then wonder where they go. So this is a pretty good method to keep
close to the speed of light is a kind of elixir of life. Because time slows down close to the speed of light, special relativity provides us with a means